Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive in and add some members to our team in Zoho Projects. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Zoho Project and we want to add members. We can add members to our projects individually, and we can access this by going on the left hand side to projects, and here you will see that we have a project over here. All right, so what we need to do is actually click on the project itself, and at the top you will see it says dashboard, tasks, users. Now you can go into users. Currently there's one user on this project right over here. Okay, you can see this right here. Now if you go over to the right hand side, it says add users. You can go ahead and click on this. Now there is another user within my account, and you can add this user just simply by clicking on this user and then clicking on add. This will add this person to this project. But let's say that I would like to add somebody that's not within my account. Click on add users. Over here it says new users. Click on that. It will redirect you to Zoho 1, the admin panel. And if you have not yet signed up for Zoho 1, you will need to do so to be able to get this done. Over here you can see you have to assign projects to users, and you can do individual or groups or everyone. So now you need to choose a user. So if you use the plus button here, sorry, not the plus button, if you click in here, it'll ask you to select one of these users or create a new user. Now, once you create a new user here, you can literally go ahead and put in first name, last name, email address. So let's just say Bob Seger at gmail.com, and then we are going to add in the employee ID, so 0003, designation, so we can add in if we have a designation added into our company. Same as department. If you've got a department added in, you can add in that, and then whoever this person is reporting to, work location as well, depending on if you have additional work locations. And then you can add custom fields, additional information such as date of birth, gender, so forth, and then locale information. That's fine for now. You can have this email sent to this person, and you can click on add. Now what will happen is this person will receive an email requesting to join, and once they've requested once they've clicked accept on the join request, they will be able to have access to the project that you're adding them to specifically. You'll then also be able to go and click on add user. You'll find them underneath the portal users over there. So there you go, and you can now add as many members as you'd like to whatever project you'd like to add them to on Zoho Projects.